Hello everybody, it's Joe Sanches, your favorite realtor. Okay, today we're looking at the Leander Hill Country model. It's by the Toll Brothers. Let's take a look what they have in store for us. Beautiful front door, love all the little windows there. Alright, so let's take a look. Ooh, a little place there to take a seat. Beautiful hallways. Oh, I love the open space here. Beautiful. Kitchen. Let's see what they got. Oh, they got all the upgrades, which makes it look fantastic. I love the little island in the middle, so that way you can have people around there while you're cooking up a storm. All the windows bring all that natural, beautiful sunlight in there. And open space to go with it, so you can have friends, family, entertain, do all the fun stuff that homes are made for. Okay, so where to next? Let's see where we go. We're gonna go and take a look. We're gonna go take a look at this master bedroom here. Oh, perfect sizing. Love that has that open, the two windows there for natural sunlight, and love that little chandelier they got going on there. Let's take a look at the master bathroom. Ooh, nice bathtub there. So again, the beautiful window for sunlight to see outside. The frameless shower there, awesome. Two sinks, two vanity areas there for everybody to do their morning business. Fantastic. You know, let's take a look at the closet. It's always one of my favorite things to do, you know. At the end of the day, I know a lot of fights are for closet space, and this closet has plenty of ample space for everybody to use. Okay. And now to, where are we going? Take a look at the other bedrooms. Okay, this bedroom here, again, you can see the nice two windows for the natural sunlight in there. Perfect space. Little closet in there for you. Has everything you need. Look at the tile background there. Oh, come back, Joe. Sorry, I'm a little fast moving with the camera. Right now, we're actually in the laundry room, which is fantastic because everybody loves a nice big laundry room, and that looks a perfect size to do all your needs. Okay, one last look at this open space and kitchen for you, and we're all done, ladies and gentlemen.